Embrace eco-friendly living, the essentials of water-wise gardening. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to enhance your English learning journey with exciting and educational content. Today, we're diving into a very green and sustainable topic, water-wise gardening. This concept is not only beneficial for our planet but also a fantastic example of how we can combine everyday actions with environmental consciousness. So, let's explore what water-wise gardening means and how you can implement it in your own green spaces. Water-wise gardening refers to the practice of designing and maintaining gardens in a way that reduces water usage and promotes water conservation. This approach is especially important in areas where water is scarce, but it's a smart choice for any gardener looking to be more environmentally responsible. The key principles include choosing drought-resistant plants, optimizing irrigation systems, and applying mulch to reduce evaporation. By adopting these practices, gardeners can create beautiful landscapes that require less water and are more sustainable in the long term. Embracing water-wise gardening comes with a myriad of benefits. Firstly, it significantly reduces water usage, which is not only good for the environment but also lowers your water bill. It also promotes healthier plants by reducing the risk of overwatering and encouraging deep root growth. Additionally, water-wise gardens are often more resilient to weather changes, requiring less maintenance. By understanding these benefits, you can appreciate the impact of water-wise gardening on both your wallet and the world. Creating a water-wise garden involves several practical steps. Start by selecting drought-resistant plants that are native to your area, as they will thrive with minimal water. Next, improve your soil with compost to enhance water retention. Use mulch around your plants to reduce water evaporation and keep the soil moist. When it comes to watering, opt for drip irrigation or soaker hoses for efficient water use. Finally, consider collecting rainwater to irrigate your garden, further reducing your dependence on tap water. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of water-wise gardening. By making mindful choices in our gardens, we can conserve water, save money, and contribute to a healthier planet. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, incorporating water-wise practices is a step towards more sustainable living. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.